Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. You are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower after the release of US Fed minutes for July meeting triggered cautiousness in the overall market sentiment. Bitcoin plummeted below the crucial $29,000 support level. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 2% at 37,380 points. In an interesting news, Coinbase can now provide cryptocurrency futures to US retail consumers after getting approval from the National Futures Association to access the crypto economy in the US. Meanwhile, the strong US GDP growth forecast and the release of the minutes from US Federal Reserve's July meeting of its Federal Open Market Committee have dented investor sentiment. The 10-year Treasury yield increased 5 basis points to 4.27%, its highest level of 2023, and within a few ticks of a 15-year high. In other news, asset management firm Valkyrie Investments filed for an Ethereum-based exchange-traded fund or ETF. Moving on, the long-awaited Layer 2 network Shibarium was finally launched on the Shiba Inu ecosystem. However, data showed that transactions on this network were halted for more than 5 hours due to bridging issues, which caused 954 Ethereum worth $1.7 million lost in the process. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.13 trillion mark, dropping 1.8% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased about 9% to $35.5 billion. Meanwhile, liquidations on future tracking major tokens crossed the $160 million mark in the past 24 hours, pushing to over $320 million in losses since the start of this week. Bitcoin futures racked up nearly $50 million in losses, followed by Ether at $22 million and Litecoin or LTC at $5 million. Interestingly, analysts still maintain a positive outlook on leading digital assets. They pin hope on SEC approving spot Bitcoin ETF, which could see the price jump more than fivefold from current levels. Liquidation pressure has dealt a severe blow to altcoins and hence they vastly underperformed broader markets. Solana Sol, DogeCoin and Polygon's Matic are each down between 5% and 7% over the past 24 hours. Stock futures traded higher as investors absorbed the Federal Reserve's latest commentary indicating futures rate hikes are here to stay. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 29 points or 0.1%. S&P 500 futures traded high by 0.1%, while Nasdaq 100 futures also inched higher by 0.11%. Bitcoin was trading at $28,563, down by 2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2%, trading at $1,790. BNB was down by 1.5% to trade at $230. Solana Sol was down by 1.1% and was trading at $23.1. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.6% to trade at $0.27. Talking about Avalanche AVAX, it was trading at $11.4, lower by 1.7%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 1.5% to trade at $0.61. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 4% at $0.067. Shiba Inu was trading down by 8.2%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.58, down by 2.6%. Polkadot was down by 0.1% to trade at $4.7. And now let's move on to our expert, Mr. Ritik Nag, for his views on current market scenario.
If you see historically, the market has been working on the US election cycle. So if you see the last bull run that happened, it happened right after the November election in 2020, and it lasted until November of 2021. So we expect a similar situation very soon with the November election coming next year. And hopefully, if we have Ron DeSantis, the Miami governor, who is going to win from the Republican side, it's going to be a major bull run this time maybe even crossing 500,000 if he is going to be the next president. But that's only going to be for the time to tell. Even if Joe Biden wins, I'm hoping him to give a lot of free money to people, and that should definitely bring in a lot of money into this space. Not to worry, not to confuse with the other things as well, which like the ETF in the Bitcoin space, as well as other fresh investors in the institutional space that are investing, which will also lead to this. But the election cycle is a huge force that will push the market cycle in the crypto space because of the dollar being dominant in this space.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ritik Nag. And that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such market-related updates, log on to our website www.3verstv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.0 TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
The famous cryptocurrency investment firm Jump Crypto led a successful $13 million seed round for the Web3 Metaverse and creative platform ZTX. Large players in the Web3 investment area like Ola Plus Currency, Parataxes, MZ Web3 Fund, Everest Ventures Group and others were able to invest in ZTX as a result. With more than 400 million lifetime users and ranking 4th in the global behind Roblox, Fortnite and Minecraft, is ZTX's legacy Web2 firm Zepeto. Additionally, Zepeto has a number of prominent ongoing strategic alliances, including those with brands like Gucci and Starbucks. After a slew of transactions with businesses including Michael Novogratis, Galaxy Digital were cancelled, cryptocurrency custody platform BitGo obtained new funding. The company reported on August 16 that BitGo has raised $100 million in a Series C fundraising round, raising its worth to $1.75 billion. BitGo has raised funds to expand its secure custody, wallet, and infrastructure solutions globally. CEO Mike Pelchi believes the new funds will help meet growing demands for custody and provide institutions and companies with tools to participate in the crypto industry. In 2023, BitGo has seen a 60% increase in new clients and 40 times growth in staked assets. The Series C funding featured new investors from the US and Asia, with some outside the cryptocurrency industry. Layer 1 network Zeta Train stated that it has obtained $27 million to promote its Train-independent platform. Investors from Blockchain.com, Human Capital, VY Capital, Sky9 Capital, Jane Street Capital, Vista Labs, CMT Digital, Foundation Capital, Linkfeng Capital, GSR, Kudasai, Crust, and other firms took part in the round. Zeta Train, a 2021 protocol, aims to provide standardized interoperability between networks, enabling non-smart contract chains to interact with the decentralized finance or DeFi ecosystem. This enables developers to implement smart contracts in networks not running the technology such as Bitcoin and DogeCoin. Zeta Train enables developers to build omni-chain decentralized applications that access assets and data from a single platform regardless of the blockchain. The platform has deployed over 27,000 dApp contracts from various third-party applications including cross-chain DeFi, non-fungible tokens, Web3 identity, and gaming protocols. The protocol has over 13 million transactions performed by 1.7 million users on its testnet.